Valtteri Bottas, lovely to see you.
Good to see you.
Good to have you here. What is it about IFSEC and 2019 that makes you be here this year?
So, been in partnership this year with Abloy. So, obviously, my roots are from Finland. So it's a very nice cooperation between us two. And there's a lot of values that are similar between Abloy and what I do. A lot of it is teamwork and trust examples. So those are the two main big things. And I haven't actually been here ever before, so it's nice to see what's going on.
And how did that collaboration with Abloy come about?
So we are always looking for partners that have same values, and I only want to be kind of involved with very respected, trusted brands. So once there was an opportunity to do something with Abloy, immediately wanted to go for it. So.
And what are your duties involved now you've got that partnership?
Well, doing quite a bit of a lot of different kind of things with Abloy. This is one of them. Visiting here, also for me, is at the same time nice to see what's going on here and learn every time more and more about Abloy. We've obviously done also some internal marketing content, also international marketing content, and going to be visiting many other kind of things in the future, like expos and congresses and stuff like this. So.
Well, it's really good to have you here, but we have to talk about the Formula One season so far. It's doing very well. What are your thoughts on it so far?
So far, so good. The last couple of races, I've really hoped for better results, but I mean, the speed is there. I feel better than ever in the car this year. Still in the championship fight. Lewis, my teammate, is a bit ahead, but nothing huge in terms of points. So, and it's we have 14 races to go, so that's a massive amount of points still to get. So, yeah, I feel it's going to be the year and going to be all in for that. So.
Well, let me ask you then about part two. After the summer season, what are your thoughts? What are your plans? How are you going to combat? Because you're so close.
It is close, and like I said, we have 14 races to go, so really need to take every weekend individually and really focus on the moment and make the most out of that exact situation. So in the end, consistency is going to be the key, and making the most of all the opportunities that come ahead. So I feel I just need to keep doing what I'm doing now with the team and also with my driving and everything. So mentally feel like in a good place, so ready to give it all.
Listen, I wish you all the best of luck. Have a great rest of the season.
Thank you very much.
Thanks
Cheers.
so much.
Cheers. Thank you.